The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 4 Plus for AT&T PREPAID. So the Stylo 4 Plus has been out for a little while now on AT&T PREPAID. So the Stylo 4 Plus on AT&T PREPAID is $299.99. So do keep that in mind. This is not a bad budget phone here. It's a pretty decent budget phone. So let's look at the LG Stylo 4 Plus for AT&T PREPAID. It says the LG Stylo 4 Plus keeps you focused on value by satisfying your craving for performance and features. Experience a powerful 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450 CPU. Enjoy the gorgeous 6.2-inch 4K plus full vision display. Use the stylus to jot down brilliant ideas, capture vivid images with the 16 megapixel and wide 5 megapixel cameras, and secure your phone with your fingerprint. Okay, so that's the phone right there, guys. You guys have like little videos to check out. You guys can check out these little videos. You guys can do that. You guys got the power button on the right side. No, you guys. So, I don't know what that is, but the Stylo 4 Plus has an 18:9 screen, 5 megapixel camera, air presets a little bit later. It has that volume button there on the left. Your power button's on the right side. Your power button's right on the right side. I can't tell what that was, but it's a power button. Your fingerprint sensors in the back, camera flash, camera, AT&T logo, and the LG logo. On the bottom of the Stylo 4 Plus, that's a headphone jack, microphone, Type-C charging port, your speaker, and your stylus pen right there. So, key features of the Stylo 4 Plus, you guys know, has a stylus, of course, jot brilliant ideas onto the screen even when it's off. It has off-screen humor, so it's pretty cool. 3D surround sound, experience immersive DTS:X 3D sound for close audio. Fingerprint ID, quickly and easily unlock your phone with just your fingertip. Dust and water resistance. Relax, your phone is protected against dust and water mishaps. It has IP68 dust and water resistance. The regular Stylo 4 does not have that. The Stylo 4 Plus does have water resistance. Maximize if you enjoy a nearly edge-to-edge screen. That's a perfect fit for 1.8. Delivers 6.2-inch full vision HD plus display. Delivers crystal clear picture quality by LG's iconic display plus more screen in device. It has 4K plus display. Incredible sound. Experience sound in the most immersive way with DTS:X 3D. The premium mobile optimized technology delivers rich, clear audio that will transport you right into the heart of your favorite movies, games, and music. Inspires yourself. The 16 megapixel rear-facing camera with fast autofocus and full HD video flawlessly captures your best moments, while the 5 megapixel wide-angle front-facing camera lets you snap beautiful selfies without touching the shutter button. In the portrait mode, you put what's important in focus. Apply it in real time or after the shot is captured. For even more fun, use GIF capture to take snippets of video and edit them with your stylus. So it has the on-screen mode on power in the palm of your hand. Powered by Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. The Stylo 4 Plus is smarter, faster, and mightier than ever. Jot memories even when the screen is off. What they got right there. Take advantage of the powerful 3300 mAh battery and 1.8 GHz 1.8 GHz octa-core processor to browse, talk, text, and listen for hours. And when the battery is running low, you can count on the fast charging Type-C connection to get you up and running in no time. So it does have fast charging on this Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 on this device. The Stylo 4 does not have that, the Stylo 4 Plus does. The dimensions of the Stylo 4 Plus has 6.30 inches height, 3.6 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Stylo 4 Plus weighs 6.7 ounces. Display size 6.2 inches Full HD Plus Vision display. It has a Nippon electric glass 2160 by 1080 pixels, 16 megapixel with LED flash and 4x digital zoom. It has 1080p video at 30 frames per second. There's your video playbacks there. 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera software light. It has portrait mode, food, panorama, flash jump cut, guide shot, grid shot, snap shot, auto shot, blur shot, timer, AGAF, lock, quick shot, quick video editor. So there's all the camera features on the phone there. 3300 mAh battery, 14.5 hours of talk time, 14.6 days of standby time. Audio playback is 40 hours. Speaker and 88 hours with headset. It takes about 43 minutes to charge from 0 to 50%, and about an hour and 45 to charge from 0 to 100. Alright. It's Snapdragon 450 processor octa-core, and the Adreno 506 GPU there. 32 gigabytes of internal memory is 32 gigs. Up to 2 TB micro SD, 3 gigabytes of RAM, Android 8.1 audio. There's your LTE bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 14, 30, and 66. It has HSBA plus with enhanced backhaul. It has roll devices to 5 band per roll, phone down, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, of course, Wi-Fi connection 8 to 11, ABG NFC. Dual band Wi-Fi open has NFC on board. Bluetooth 4.2 mobile hotspot up to 8 devices. It has noise suppression there, wireless emergency alerts. The apps from the Stylo 4 Plus, and also has a nano SIM card. Y'all get a lot of apps from AT&T. You guys get AT&T Car Protect, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Drive Mode, AT&T Hotspots, AT&T Message Backup and Sync, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Protect, AT&T Remote Support, AT&T Separate Transfer, AT&T Smart Limits, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T User Voicemail, DirecTV Mobile Service Manager. So there's all the AT&T apps. There's a lot of them. The LG apps that you guys get is LG AirDrop, LG Backup, LG Bridge, LG Gateway, LG Smart Roll, which y'all guys can get themes and shit from there. LG Switch, Quick Memory Plus, Smart Planning. Other apps you guys get on the Stylo 4 Plus is Amazon Shopping, Facebook App Manager, downloads Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Pay, Google Photos, Google Plays, Movies and TV, Google Play Music, Google Play Store, Google Search, Google Sheets, Google Slides, YouTube. Then I was getting my AT&T, which is your account, which provides fast and easy account access for anywhere anytime. Your default web browser is Chrome. You guys have accelerometer, ambient light, fingerprint, gyroscope, and proximity sensors. Your messages there. It has LG Music and Google Play Music as your music players. It has 3D surround sound with DTS:X 3D. And it has all this stuff here. So there it is, guys. The LG Stylo 4 Plus now available at AT&T Prepaid for $299 minimum. So not bad little budget phone here. $300 isn't too bad for a phone. If you guys want to get a Stylo 4 on AT&T Prepaid, this is one to get because this is the better version of this is the better version of the two. The Stylo 4 Plus, if you guys want to get a Stylo 4, the Stylo 4 Plus is the way to go, guys. So if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.